Good morning, class, once again, and let's continue with our experiment number 5. At this point, as instructed in the procedure, I have here a bar magnet. I will let this bar magnet pass through our sample of sulfur powder and iron filings. Now observe what will happen as I pass through this magnet over sulfur powder and iron filings. Take note of this observation. Okay, now notice what's happening is there any reaction between sulfur powder and our bar magnet? Now, I will let this bar magnet pass through the iron filings. Observe. Okay, there you go. Okay? So, now you've seen the reaction of these two substances on a bar magnet. That of the sulfur powder and that of the iron filings. Now, as we continue with our experiments, earlier I placed these two metals, iodine and mercury, on this beaker. Now, if you could notice, mercury remains, the beaker containing the mercury metal is still clear. No smudges, no cloudiness on the walls of our beaker. While when it comes to iodine crystals, look at this. There are already smudges. Take note, earlier it was the beaker is as clear as the beaker holding our mercury sample. Now, look at what happened to the walls of the beaker containing iodine crystals. Okay, take note of your observation, and to give an explanation to this, study the concept of sublimation for you to be able to explain what happened in this sample of iodine as it fills in the walls of the container or the beaker with this cloudy residues. Okay, if you could notice, I put a cover, a watch glass to cover the beaker containing the iodine crystals, and I did not place that over the mercury metal. Okay, let's continue with this in a little while.